Hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Guys, please join me to sing the song Knife.
Try lang po, sisi. Pasensya na po sa boses ng bagong gising. Salamat sa invite.
You touch my life with a softness in the night. My wish was your command until you run out of love. I tell myself I'm free, got the chance of living just for me. No need to worry you.
Now that you're gone, night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. You can't wait a heart of my life. When I pretend, wear a smile to fool my dearest friend. I wonder if they come, that's just to show I'm on a stage. Day and night I go through masquerade, but how can I disguise what's in my eyes?
Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded.
Cuts like a knife. You get away the heart of my life. Oh, 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 I tried and tried, laughing at the pain I feel inside.
The pain wanting you, wanting you. Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deep.